Hi there. I had a request for a video about reconciliation. Let's see, if two people argue and they don't talk to each other, then afterwards, maybe at some point, there is a reconciliation. Yeah, where they re-establish friendly relations, yeah, after an argument. And this is the idea of reconciliation. Yeah, two people have an argument, or two groups have an argument, and then afterwards they become friendly again. So it took a lot of negotiation between the two sides to bring about a reconciliation. Yeah, reconciliation, to make them live again on friendly terms. Let's see, this comes from the verb to reconcile. Yeah, so the son became reconciled with his estranged father after many years. So they became friendly after an argument. Yeah, but we can also use this to reconcile, is to find a way in which two mutually exclusive things, or two mutually exclusive beliefs, can agree and coexist together. Yeah, this is finding a way of working for a dichotomy. So how can you reconcile being a supporter of the Green Party, yet driving that enormous gas-guzzling car of yours? It can be very difficult sometimes to reconcile religion and science. Yeah, I think maybe it will be a long time before these two are reconciled. Notice, in the passive, to be reconciled, that is a reconciliation. Yeah, they had not spoken for nearly 20 years, but finally they were reconciled with each other. There was a reconciliation between them. So reconciliation, the restoration of friendly relations between two people. Okay, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Reconciliation.